this is our solar oven here. The design is made out of a pizza box, as you can see right here. And we covered the top of the pizza box with aluminum foil, and then we added additional panels on to reflect as much sunlight as possible.
And then for the bottom, we have a closed pizza box which you can open and put the food in, and it's covered in plastic wrap so the heat that is reflected off the aluminum foil and absorbed into the black t-shirt, which we have lining the box, is absorbed. And we also have a metal cookie sheet in here which we're going to cook the cookies on, which can also reflect the sunlight's heat and trap it in the box.
Next, we are going to practice cooking something on it. Our cookies hopefully will work.
So after the first period of reaching a maximum temperature of 168, we moved the panels in and we taped them down to the sides of the pizza box so that the sun would reflect onto the actual cookie tray. And now our temperature is rising, and it's currently at 198 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's only been like this for 3 minutes now. So hopefully we'll be able to reach a higher maximum temperature.
Alright, so the date is June 10th, 2015, and right now we're cooking up some delicious chocolate chip cookies. We've just put the cookie dough in, approximately 80 degrees outside. Hopefully they'll warm up a little bit more. We got the sun shining. Should be a great day for cooking.
So as you can see, the cookies have been cooking for the past 40 minutes. We seem to have made some good progress. We're still going to keep it out for another 20 minutes or so just to check on it. And right now you can see that there's no browning around the edges of the cookies. So that's what we're going for, and hopefully we'll accomplish that. Minutes later.
Alright, so it's been 2 periods since we first put the cookie dough into the oven, and it's kind of cooked. It's not browning around the edges or anything, but we didn't expect it to. So tomorrow, we're going to take them out right now, and they're probably still going to be a little gooey in the middle. So tomorrow we're going to split the cookie dough in half if the weather cooperates, and hopefully they'll cook a little faster and we won't have to be out here for 2 periods.
So these are our final cookies.
They're like kind of cooked. They're like when they first come out of the oven, they're still a little mushy, but if we probably set them down for like 10 minutes or so, they could actually be cookies.
Okay, so this is round 2 of testing our solar oven. We pushed the panels in a little bit more to try to reflect more sunlight. Additionally, we cut the cookies thinner. So last time you noticed that there was only 3. This time we made them into 8 with thinner dough. Hopefully they're cooking faster. So let's check this out here. I think the cookies need a little bit more time to form, but it looks like we're getting somewhere. See? You can kind of see that it's starting to get a little bit better on the bottom, but we're going to let them brown a little more, so let's leave them for now.
Alright, so it's the end of the first period that we've had these out, and the cookies are kind of cooked. We made them thinner today, but you can see that they're kind of browning, but we're just going to take them inside and let them cool, so maybe that they'll harden and not be all gooey in the middle. We think that this was a good design, maybe not to make cookies, but just in general, because there's a lot of aluminum foil to reflect the heat onto the metal tray in the solar oven, and there's a lot of plastic wrap and other materials that can absorb the sunlight and keep the heat inside the box to cook the material. So overall, this was a pretty decent solar oven, but next time we just won't choose cookies.
A cookie fresh off the solar oven. Yum.